Welcome to Aivia 15. In this video, we're going to explore a brand new feature for this release we call summary reports. A summary report is an excellent way to take your work in Aivia and quickly aggregate it into something you can share with other non-Aivia users. Whether you're at a weekly lab meeting or simply providing documentation for a collaborator, a summary report saves you the hassle of building a dense PowerPoint or using remote desktop tools to show your work. To generate a report, let's first perform some analysis on this image. We'll first segment the cells using a recipe. Now let's use an object classifier to sort them based on expression levels. Finally, let's create a simple graph to show the relative counts of each subgroup. Here you'll find a new button that adds the active graph to your report. You can change the graph to a different one and click Add again to add a second graph to the same report. Before we generate the report, let's make sure your image is displayed the way we want to show it. Once you're ready to generate the report, go to File, Export, and select Summary Report. You can also use the hotkey combination Shift-Control-R. From this window, you can select which elements you want in the report. The little drawing here is only for illustrative purposes and doesn't reflect the exact appearance of your report. Click Save to generate your report and pick which format you'd like from Markdown, Microsoft Word, or HTML. Your report is now ready to view and share.
If you have any questions or want to learn more, please reach out to us via the link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen. Thank you.